Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make spicy fried salmon. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 kilo of salmon fillets which I have washed, rinsed well and cut into chunks, some oil for frying, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using homemade curry powder. If you want to know how to make curry powder, I'll put a link below. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of oil for marinating. Take your salmon pieces, add turmeric, salt, garlic powder, chili powder, curry powder and your oil. Mix it well to combine using 2 spoons. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to marinate for a minimum of 1 hour or overnight if possible. My salmon pieces have been marinating for a few hours. Now it's time to fry them. To fry the salmon pieces, take a wok or fry pan, put it on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. You will also need to line a dish with some paper towel to drain the excess oil from the salmon pieces. My oil is hot now, so add 1/3 of the salmon pieces and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring it frequently. Take them out, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying up all the salmon pieces. My spicy fried salmon is ready and you can serve them with some hot chips, salad or dal and rice. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.